Hello and welcome. Tina Brigitini here. Just wanted to ask you how your practice is going. Is it going? Are you an energy healer? Are you doing the work? If you're not doing the work yet, I invite you to let's get going. I think the biggest fear that people have is, if I go into a healing practice, can I make money? Absolutely. Can you be creative? I'm doing it. I've incorporated many modalities because I continue my education, and I began doing retreats. I help people with all kinds of challenges, whether it be trauma, grief, letting go of the past, moving forward in life. They feel stuck. There are energy techniques to help to move your clients forward. And yes, you can make a living. Okay? Just have to know how, and that's what I'm here for. I'd love to work with you. So let's get this party started. See you soon.